Hi, my name's Derek and I work at Tedler Garden Center. I'm the greenhouse manager, and today we're going to talk about planting pansies and their cold tolerance level and whatnot. What's a good thing to plant this time of year? Things like that. Because a lot of people wonder, do I really have to wait till May to plant, or is there actually something I can have outside now? But the truth is, there really is something you can have outside now. My favorite ones to use are pansies and violas because they're the most tolerant of the cold temperatures that we get this time of the year. They tolerate temperatures down to the lower 20s, and you don't even have to worry about covering them. That's what's nice about it. So we have pansies here, and they come in multiple different colors. You can see this one's multicolored, but they come in yellow. We have flats of blue in here, and red, and purple. There's just so many different cheery colors. And we have violas here, which looks very similar to pansies, but they're a little bit smaller. That's pretty much their difference. But cold tolerance is the level is the same on both of them. For the most part, we have blue and yellow right now, but they also come in a multitude of colors. We have Sonnetti, which is a cold tolerant plant, but it's not quite as cold tolerant as these other ones. They take about down to 40 degrees. And we have snapdragons here as well. They take down to about 35 to 40, and sometimes even colder on those ones. If you're ever worried about things, you can just go ahead and cover it, but you can also plant these knowing that they'll be safe. Is that a good beginning for the practice?
Yeah, it's really good. So I think the only other thing you might want to pull in there is some like dianthus, huh?
Yeah, I gotta get some dianthus.
Okay. And maybe you want to show all your other colors that we have.
Well, can you move the camera so we can show things like that?
I can, but not for this, because I didn't get that other thing figured out yet. And with this, I really can't.
Okay.
So we're gonna just, you could even, if you want to not have your counter so full,
Yeah.
we could leave some space up there where you can set
I
things
can
when you get
scrap
done.
things as I come along.
Okay,
Quick question.
yeah.